How's it going, guys? So today we decided to take the wagons up to the Mount Hood to go have some fun in the snow. We're going to be taking Rachel's wagon. We're going to be taking Forrest's daily beater wagon that we just got a new exhaust put on. So he just got his basically it's a second gen mid pipe with some unequal linked headers and I forget what type of muffler, but it sounds pretty good. So we're going to go have some fun in the snow. If you guys haven't seen this before, this is Rachel's badass front bumper she had built. So, pretty excited about that. Kind of jealous. Alright, we're on the road. We're going to get some gas for the wagons, get some snacks, and get up to the mountain. Jeez. So we found this little spot. This is where all the snow plows and everything get their gravel from. So did a few little donuts. I don't think we're supposed to be here, so not really sure how long we can stay without getting kicked out. But the wagon's doing great. This thing's a beast. Whoa.
That's really deep over there. Roll forward.
Yeah, I didn't think it'd be this deep. Go, 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 go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Go! All right, I think we're gonna go get some food. Everybody's getting cold, but it was a lot of fun. Alright, everybody had a great meal, so we're going to be heading back into town. Cars did great, so didn't find too much snow. Everybody was there's a lot of people up here because it's Christmas time, so we had a little bit of fun, but we weren't really supposed to be drifting over in that area, so. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.